A Roth IRA is one of the best ways to avoid penalties when withdrawing your retirement funds, but it's crucial to understand how it works to make the most of it. Whether you're looking to start saving or already have a Roth IRA, if you're an American retiree, you're likely thinking about how to keep your funds safe and avoid unnecessary penalties when you need them the most. This video is here to walk you through the essential rules of Roth IRA withdrawals, and I'll share some key strategies to help you navigate the system without getting hit by penalties. Now, before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure you check out the first link in the description for the free Gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are choosing Gold IRAs to safeguard their savings, and this guide will show you why. So, let's get into how you can avoid penalties when withdrawing from your Roth IRA. The first thing you need to know is that Roth IRAs are unique because your contributions are made with after-tax dollars. This means that once the money is in, it grows tax-free, and when you take it out, it generally comes out tax-free as well. However, there are specific rules that you have to follow to avoid penalties on withdrawals. The key rule to remember is the 5-year rule. Essentially, you can only withdraw your earnings tax and penalty-free after 5 years of holding the account. But here's the thing, this rule only applies to your earnings, not your contributions. You can take your contributions out anytime, tax and penalty-free, since you've already paid taxes on that money when you put it in. So, if you made contributions to your Roth IRA over the years, those funds are yours to take out without penalty, no matter how old you are. But if you want to access the earnings, the growth of your investments, then the 5-year rule comes into play. If you're under 59.5 years old and want to take out earnings before the 5 years are up, you could face a 10% early withdrawal penalty, along with taxes on the earnings. Now, let's talk about exceptions to this. There are certain situations where you can take out Roth IRA earnings early without paying the penalty. For example, if you're using the funds for a first-time home purchase, you can withdraw up to $10,000 of earnings without facing penalties. You can also avoid penalties if you become disabled, or if you're using the funds for qualified education expenses. There's also an exception for qualified medical expenses if they exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income. If you're in a situation where you might need to access your Roth IRA earnings but don't want to face penalties, it's important to know these exceptions because they can save you a lot of money. But here's the thing, just because you can avoid the penalty, it doesn't mean it's the best decision for your retirement strategy. That's where a Gold IRA comes in. Gold IRAs are a superior option for American retirees who want to diversify their portfolios, especially in times of uncertainty. Gold has a history of being a stable, long-term investment that can help protect your wealth. If you're thinking about withdrawals from your Roth IRA, a Gold IRA might be the better choice to shield your savings from market volatility. But let's get back to the Roth IRA. Another way to avoid penalties is to plan your withdrawals wisely. If you need to access your funds before the 5-year mark and don't qualify for any exceptions, it might make more sense to take out your contributions instead of your earnings. This way, you avoid the 10% penalty and only pay taxes on any growth you've made. I know navigating Roth IRA rules can feel complicated, but understanding these key strategies can help you avoid costly penalties and make the best financial decisions for your retirement. If you're interested in learning more about how to protect your wealth with a Gold IRA, click the first link in the description to get your free guide. This guide is specifically designed for American retirees who have 100K or more in an IRA or 401K or even 5M plus in savings. Gold IRAs offer a way to safeguard your assets while giving you flexibility when it comes time to withdraw your money. Whether you're just starting to think about retirement or you've already built a substantial nest egg, a Gold IRA might be the perfect fit for your portfolio. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take control of your financial future. If you're looking to protect your savings, now is the time to act. Get your free Gold IRA guide today. It's never too late to make sure your retirement plan is on the right track, and this guide can help you get started. So, to sum it up, always remember the 5-year rule for Roth IRAs. Take out contributions first if you need to access funds early, and explore other exceptions like buying your first home or paying for medical expenses. And when it comes to protecting your wealth, don't forget to check out the Gold IRA option. It's the best way to secure your retirement funds and avoid penalties when withdrawing. Click the link below and let's get you started on the right path today.